Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put a video on Flipaclip. Keep watching the video till the end. To put a video on Flipaclip, firstly open your Flipaclip application. The home page of Flipaclip will appear on the screen. Tap on plus icon at the bottom of the page to create a new project. Enter a name for your project and click on Create Project at the bottom of the screen. You can also add background, adjust canvas size or frames per second if you want to. Now to add video on Flipaclip, tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the pop-top option, tap on Add Video. Select the video that you want to add to your Flipaclip project, crop the video as per your choice and click on tick mark. This is how you can add video on Flipaclip application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.